Here is an interesting story about Cristiano Ronaldo, written in simple English for students who are learning English. It includes new vocabulary words and is structured like a story to keep it interesting and educational. Hashtag, the one-man army Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on a small island called Madeira in Portugal. His family was poor. They didn't have much money, but they had love. From a young age, Ronaldo had a big dream. He wanted to become the best football player in the world. He showed great talent. He could kick a ball very far, and he ran faster than other children. When he was 12 years old, Ronaldo moved to Lisbon to join a football academy. He felt homesick. He missed his family and his home, but he didn't give up. He made a sacrifice. He gave up his childhood to train every day. He was very determined to succeed. "I cried almost every day," Ronaldo once said, "but I knew what I wanted." At his new school, some boys tried to bully Ronaldo because of his accent and skinny body. He didn't fight back. Instead, he worked hard to improve. He was weak at first, but he trained every day. He lifted weights, ran, and practiced football. He kept his focus and didn't let distractions stop him. At 18, Ronaldo became famous after playing for Manchester United in England. His skills amazed everyone. He could score goals, pass fast, and control the ball with magic. He played with confidence and never gave up. When he got an opportunity, he took it and showed his best. Ronaldo won many trophies. He broke records. He became one of the greatest players in the world. But success didn't come by luck. He trained with discipline, waking up early, eating healthy, and working harder than anyone. He also started to inspire young people. Many fans look up to him. Outside football, Ronaldo helps people. He gives money to charity and supports sick children. He loves his family and keeps some things private. He believes in respect, both on and off the field. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is not just about football. It is about hope, courage, and hard work. His legacy will live on. He teaches us to never give up, no matter where we come from. His life is a great motivation for anyone chasing a dream. If you like this story, please comment, and please tell me how will I help you for Learn English. If you want Learn English in just simple steps, please do subscribe this channel at GRANDPAA 786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.